Well, hello there. I'm back with the second episode of Dinosaurs. So, without wasting any of our precious time, let's jump right into it. Note: if you haven't watched the first episode, go right there and watch it first, so you can better understand. Continuing from the 20th fact. 21st fact. For a while, Eurasia and Gondwana were linked by land. 22nd fact. The dinosaurs have crossed over the land between the two supercontinents. 23rd fact. As the climate across the continent changed, the variety of dinosaur plants and other animals increased. 24th fact. By the end of the Mesozoic era, Earth land mass had nearly separated to become today's 7 continents. 25th fact. The Mesozoic era, the age of dinosaurs, is divided into 3 periods, that are the Triassic, the Jurassic, and the Cretaceous. 26th fact. The Triassic period lasts for 252 million years ago and came to an end at 201 million years ago. The Jurassic period starts at 201 million years ago and ended at 145 million years ago. The Cretaceous period starts at 145 million years ago and ends at 66 million years ago. 27th fact. The first dinosaur, mammal, and crocodilian appear in Triassic. 28th fact. Reptiles such as Rhinoceros dominated the land during the Triassic. 29th fact. Jurassic plants include ferns, cicads, rushes, and conifers, which all provided food for the dinosaurs. 30th fact. During Triassic, dinosaurs expanded into many new habitats like air. 31st fact. Archaeopteryx, the first bird ever, appeared in Jurassic. 32nd fact. Ammonites flourished in Jurassic. 33rd fact. There were more kinds of dinosaurs in the Cretaceous than ever before, including the horned ceratopsians. 34th fact. At the end of the Cretaceous, there were a mass extinction and most of the dinosaurs died out. 35th fact. About 16% of the ocean species died out at the end of the Cretaceous. Hey, but nearly 84% survived. Yay. 36th fact. The very first dinosaur appeared in the middle of the Triassic. Hey, but in case you don't know, each period is further divided at 3 categories, that is, the beginning, the middle, and the late, like the middle Cretaceous or the late Jurassic. 37th fact. Do you know that the Triassic lasted for 51 million years, and that is shortest period of any. 38th fact. For some of the Triassic, it was so hot that vast baking desert stretched across the land. 39th fact. The Triassic oceans were filled with creatures such as ammonites and large sea reptiles called ichthyosaurs. Heading to the last fact of our video. Triassic polar regions were covered with lush forest rather than snow and ice. As you know, the Mesozoic era is not like today's era. It is totally different. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Peace.